everyone, welcome back to the TheDollShark, and today we're gonna do another unboxing video. Today we're gonna do the second LOL surprise Tweens doll, and this time, as you can see, it's Cherry b.t.w. So, oops, cutie ain't alone anymore. We did that in the last video. I really like her, but she is so cute. What do you guys think of her? You already ordered her? I hope you do, because she is really cool. So let's go on with the unboxing part. As you can see, I already cut this plastic thingy. So here we go. First, we're gonna have a look at the box. It says 15 surprises, fashion and accessories. On the side of the box is Cherry b.t.w. Really cute name. I like that name. And here we see the other girls. So we have Oops Cutie, which we already have, Fancy Girl, and Cherry b.t.w. and Freshest. Well, I like it all. The name is not for me, but anyways. So now we're gonna go and open her. Oh, I pulled on the wrong thing again. Oh goodness. She is so. I want this in the video, but I don't want to. No glare anymore. Okay. So what do we have here? Oh my god, look at her. She's cute. She is cute. Cherry b.t.w. Oh my god, let's get this all out and see everything. Oh, she stands. Oh, this is her little room. What's that? Oh, just like that. Little booklet. So we have a room. Can you see that? Yes, you can. So she has this little cat-shaped clock, which is cute. A little, lamp, a little cabinet, a little desk, and a pink stool. She got some other things. She's into photography, I think. Yeah, definitely. And it's cute. It's a cute playset. And the other stuff, I don't know what it will become, a bed and something else. We're gonna do that in a minute. So we have this. That's her bed. Oh my god, look at the cherries. That's cute, isn't it? The cherries are cute. But she is cute. Oh, you have to brush that out. So that's really hard. Yeah, we're gonna brush that out later. See? Okay, but that's not a problem. So I'm gonna unbox everything a little bit, so we have everything out, and then I'll get right back to you. So don't go nowhere, okay? Stay tuned. So I'm back in a bit because, again, as with the last playset, this part is taped on the cupboard playset thingy. I don't get it. MGA. How can you do that? It's not plastic. It's like, if you tear it too roughly, it's gonna tear and you cannot use it anymore and it's damaged. We don't want that. So I'm gonna see if I can do it without, doing any damage to the box. But that's like, be aware of it. Like if you give it to kids, don't let them because then the bed, which is actually quite cute, is not so cute anymore. So there's that. Be back in a minute. Okay, so let's go. I removed all the tape. As you can see, there's some residue remaining of the tape. I don't think I can really clean that because it will ruin the box itself. And this little floppy thing, that's just so you can put it right in this little thing, so it stays put. You can do it like that, and then you have this you can put it like that in place. Okay, so what we have is this. And there's a little something in this one as well. We have two boxes. Can you see the boxes? Yes, you can. And we have this box, so they're cute. It's again from the b.t.w boutique. They only shop at the b.t.w boutique though. You see that? So those are the boxes. We have this little, with a little backpack in pink. We have to open that up in a minute. Then we have our little booklet, which says, let me read that. Cherry b.t.w, this or that, vintage painting, sock hop, whatever that means, new photography, renegade. Oh, she's the renegade. So this is her little booklet thingy. So we're gonna do that with the stand. Again, she has two. Why is this not coming off? Why, people? It's not coming off. I'm gonna put this. Is this the big one? no, so I used the smaller one on her. So this is gonna go back. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna put this here. This is gonna go on here. So we have our stand ready. Okay, we've got that. Yep, we got it. Okay, so we have this little thingies here. Look at her. Look at her. So she has this dark light pink hair. There are some braids here. They are, as you can see, they are like a little bit tied in something. I don't know what they did with it, but I don't like that because I see when you put her on the stand, you will see this like that. See, I don't like it, so we have to fix that later on. This is really hard gelled. It's really cute. So let's go for the face first. Always go for the face first, ladies and gentlemen. So she has this draw on here. This is drawed on, painted on, whatever you want to call it. She has really cute makeup. It's a little bit yellow. I wish I did a little bit pink too, just to stay in theme. She has Fraggles, pink lipstick. I hope I'm doing it good. So what is this? The other one, her nails were a little bit like, yeah, that's a little bit better for this. So let me do that again. So these are the nails, pink as well. Her little top with 2 buttons. It's yellow pink. This is the back. Oh, her trousers are open. So sorry. We fix that in a minute. So these are her trousers. And she has the most adorable little socks. Really adorable. You don't really see them, I think, when she has her shoes on. But anyway, she has them. This is not staying in place. Look. That I don't like. Okay, well, maybe it will stay in place like this. So we're gonna go to her little boxes.
Yes, we are. I want my stuff. Give me my stuff.
So there's that. Me doing crazy stuff, but you know, who cares? So she's here. I'm gonna switch back to the other. Yep, here we go. So I'm gonna put her in her room for now. Like, that's where she, well, this is not working. Maybe she falls on. I don't know. We're gonna see in a minute. So first we're gonna go to this little box here. Let's surprise them coming out. So we have a surprise.
A surprise.
It's like sticky. It's stickier. I don't get it. Okay. Oh my god. You see this? Let me switch back to the... You see this? Look at that. It's a dice bus handbaggy thing and it opens up. It's so cute. And I hope you can see it because it's a little bit like glittery. Can you see that? I hope you can. It is glittery. Really cute. Really cute. This is cute. So we have that. Let's go for this one first. So we have this one. This is empty. What do we have here? Again, I'm happy with the paper they use, but now they have wrapped it in a little piece of plastic. You know, I don't, why? There's no need for it. So this is her little jacket. It's totally cute. It has like this leopard print on it, but it's not that obvious, but it's there. It's a cute detail. Silver zipper lining, really good. The dices is on here too. And then we have this camera, cherries on the back. Some writing. Really cute. Really cute jacket. I think it's a cute jacket. So we have that. Let's go for one of the boxes. This box we're gonna open up now. Yes, we are opening up. So we have, oh, this is so adorable. Look at it. Even the shades, or sunglasses, whatever you want to call them, have leopard print. That is so adorable. That's cute. So we have that. we have her little comb, because these have combs instead of brushes, and it's, you know, it's glittery pink, dark pink, glittery. I like it. Oh, these are like the really tiny things are in here. See? So we have, I think these are, you know, I'm not sure what they are. I think bracelets. I think they are bracelets. Yeah, I'm calling them bracelets for now. But if it's something else, you know, I'll get back to you for that, because sometimes I just call the wrong things. Oh, these are her earrings. Okay, so is that in focus? Yeah, it's in focus. These are her cherry. Let me look at that. Cherry. Well, you could think it's an ice cube, but because of the theme of the box, I would say it's a dice shaped, like, oh, focus. So it's dice shaped cherry. Cool. That's cool. So we have that. Oh wait, there's something else. There's something else around one of the earrings. Is that coming off? Okay. So we have this. I will put it in focus later. Wait, so this little bracelet thingy, I think, as well. So I'm not sure what the other thing is. I have to check. I'm not sure. So we have that. And then we have her little cherry necklace. Oh, that's cute. She is cute. I think they know what they are doing at MJ. They know exactly what we, you know, fall for all the time. So we have the boxes. They have the boxes. And then we go on to the last box already. Oh my god. That's the only thing, the only downside with the Tweens is that they, you know, you go faster to the unboxing, which is nice, but it's also like, I want more surprises. And I wish still, like, MGA would make fashion packs for all the OMG dolls and the Tweens, and you can buy just more clothes or something like that. I really want that. So these are shoe size 5.5. Really cute shoes. It looks like a little bit of the Monster High shoes. One of the Monster High dolls has these kind of shoes as well, so that's funny. Nice box. The BB Boutique. Where else would you get stuff like that? They rolled out. Have to wait for it a minute. Look at that. Totally cute. And this heel, like, they're bringing it back, baby. They're bringing back those heels. I like spiked heels more, but anyways, that's just preference. No, not for me. Just to look at. Oh, here, there's a little bit of paint on it. Need to clean it up later. So these are the shoes. Let us dress her. I'm gonna see if I can do it on screen, but if it's not going right, I will do it off screen. So let me go back to the, so you can see it better what I'm doing. So probably not the best sewing job in the world, and then this is gonna go like that. Okay, so I will do that later, otherwise it takes way too long. Okay, what are we going to put on the shoes? I think the socks are so cute. Did you see? So cute. That are, oh, you see the socks, so that's good. I'm always worried with socks or those kind of things with shoes, because most of the time you don't see them. Now we have this standing up. Okay, so I'll put it on a little on the back. This is like, I don't get this. This is not. So use some excessive force. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? I don't know what it is. I just don't know. Okay. Seriously, everything is falling down today. Let me get that for you. How is everybody doing, by the way? Is everybody okay? Are you enjoying some summer weather, if you have that? Some part of the world have horrible floodings and fires, and it's horrible. So if you're in one of those areas or affected by it, I'm so sorry for y'all. You know, I'm thinking of you, and I hope you're safe. But it's like when you turn on the news, it's like, OMG, you know, it's horrible. So I hope you're all safe. When are we? Which way are they around? So it should be like this, basically, on the picture. and this is only plastic. So when you put them in, be careful, because that's the only downside with those earring things with dolls. It's that you never know if it's gonna be. Okay, this one goes in really smooth. So we have that. Now we're gonna put on her too cute jacket. I really like it. So, like always, I remove the hands. That's the easy way, the most easiest way to dress these dolls. Anyway, then you go on like that. Where's the hand? Don't lose my hand. I won't, darling, I won't. Ain't that's cute. And it's even like, it's not really looking like Veronica Mars, but you know what I mean. If you're seeing like the photography stuff, her dad could be the detective, and she would be like, all in your business, seeing what you're about, like, you know, asking tough questions. Yeah, this is like detective tween for me. Okay, so this bracelet thing, I'm not gonna put on yet because I'm not sure where it goes. She has this tiny thingy, which you really don't see when you have it go on, but I'll put it on anyway, if that works. And it doesn't. So if anybody thinks, oh, he has long nails, well, for now, last time I cut them right before the video, and then I was in trouble. So now I'm like, oh, I need them, so sorry. Okay, this is, should this be this hard? No, it shouldn't. Okay, here we go. So, cute little bracelet. It's cute. The other one I'm not putting on. So she has this, her jacket, her hair. Oh my god, that's cute. She has her little purse, which is so totally freaky adorable. So we have that, we have her little bed, we have her amazing sunglasses, or shades, or whatever you call them. Like, look at that. This is cute. Let me put this a little bit close up. I'm ready for my close up. Are you ready for my close up? Mwah. So this is her look. It's cute. The earrings, like, it's really nice. It's a really nice doll, and you know, it's still a fashion doll, but it's like not as big as the other one. So it's like, I think some kids might even find this, you know, even more fun to play with, if you know what I mean. If you have a doll house that's a little bit smaller, you can still use it for the kids. So I will buy it for my niece. So this is cute. I like it. So we're gonna go back to the other version of this. So here we go. So I like this. He has a pink stand, by the way. You could see that. I'm just telling you anyway. It's part of the whole experience. So I think she's adorable. And this is her little booklet, her little boxes. So we've done this one. So she is joined. Hoops Cutie is joined by this doll. Look at her. Hoops Cutie and Jerry BB. Well, that's it. I hope to see you on the next one. I'll be doing the 2 other dolls as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please put on the notifications so you're alerted. This is my balloon thingy, somewhere floating in the thingy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next one, everybody. Thank you. Bye.